obviously behind me, I got into an area that hasn't been hit in quite some time, and I don't think I've ever actually seen anybody actually go down there and do it. So I was actually quite impressed with the capabilities it had on the slope, considering how wet it was. It pretty much just mulched and chopped everything up to pretty much just pulp, and I am actually very impressed with it and how it handled. This Rover was able to actually go over all of it, take care of it all, run over any size tree that it came up on. It pretty much handled the area just as I expected it would.